Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. Before I begin with the video, I can offer you Shopify completely for free for the next 3 days, and then you only pay €1 and not 32. So you won't pay 32, you will pay only €1. So to connect it, there are two ways, the automatic way and the manual way. The automatic way basically streamlines domain integration for GoDaddy users. So to do that, access your Shopify admin panel, navigate to settings, followed by domains, click on connect existing domain, and then input your GoDaddy domain name. Opt for connect automatically and sign into your GoDaddy account when prompted, and finalize everything by hitting the connect button. And then you have to wait for around 48 hours for the domain to be verified, and then you will find it in the third-party domain as a connected status. And to find the third-party domain, you have to go to settings and then domains, and that's it. If for some reason things aren't working out, to do it manually, log into your GoDaddy account. In the domain section, select the domain you wish to connect, enter Shopify-specific domain records where required, update the A record to point to Shopify's dedicated IP address and add a CNAME record to point to myshopify.com. Save your changes and head back to Shopify admin panel to verify the connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, don't forget to use the offer in the description.